Imagine this, you've just landed after a long flight. You're eager to get through customs and head home and start your trip. But suddenly, a border agent asks you to hand over your phone. What do? In today's world, border security has tightened and digital privacy is more important than ever. Whether you're a US citizen, a permanent resident, or a visa holder, the rules can be complex and the stakes high. Stay with us as we break down what you need to know to protect your personal data while crossing the US border. Let's get started. This is not a hypothetical situation. There are cases where individuals have been detained or denied entry due to their digital footprints. Take Mahmoud Khalil, for instance. Snatched from his home in New York, immigrants targeted for their political views. Foreigners denied entry after border agents searched their devices. Even before President Trump took office, digital searches at border were increasing. So the question is not if this could happen to you. The question is, are you prepared? First thing first, know your rights. Many people assume they can simply refuse a border agent's request to search their phone, but that's not always the case. Here's what you need to know. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP, has broad authority to search your electronic devices regardless of your citizenship status. US citizens can refuse to give passwords, but this may lead to delays and even confiscations of devices. Non-citizens, including visa holders, are at greater risk. They can be denied entry outright for refusing. CBP's policies state they should not access cloud data, but are agents always following the rules? Not necessarily. If an officer searches your phone, you can ask if they have switched it to airplane mode. It's a small but important step in protecting your data. The next thing you want is to be caught off guard at the border. Before you travel, do a risk analysis. What's your immigration status? US citizens have more rights than visa holders. What's on your device? Are you storing sensitive emails, personal messages, or confidential work files? What's your comfort level? Are you okay with potential delays or short-term detention if you refuse to comply? If you're a visa holder or even a green card holder, it's wise to consult an immigration lawyer before traveling. The rules are not always clear-cut. Here's how you can minimize the risk of a border search exposing your private information. Consider leaving your usual devices at home. Use a separate travel phone with minimal data. If you must bring your device, consider mailing it separately, but be aware of potential risks. Log out and power down before reaching security. Log out of accounts and power off your device. This puts your phone in a more secure state. Delete apps that store sensitive information and reinstall them after crossing the border. Use a password manager with a travel mode to limit which accounts are accessible while you travel. Disable biometric turn of fingerprints and face recognition. Officers could use your face or thumbprint to unlock your phone. Protect your data. Store sensitive information on an encrypted device left at home. Use encryption tools like Cryptomator for cloud storage. If using iCloud, enable Apple's advanced data protection. If you believe you're at high risk, whether you're an activist, journalist, or someone with sensitive affiliations, consider these extra precautions. Leave your SIM card behind. This prevents authorities from accessing your phone number and messages. Use temporary numbers while traveling. Ditch SMS-based two-factor authentication. Opt for more secure methods like authenticator apps. Create a persona for travel. Some intelligence experts recommend using separate, non-sensitive social media accounts for border inspections. Under the policy of enhanced vetting, even green card holders and naturalized citizens have faced extra scrutiny. One example, Catherine, a US citizen for 45 years, was flagged and questioned twice in recent years for reasons unknown. Border officials can scan your social media, text messages, and email history. Even something as innocent as listing open to work on LinkedIn has led to visa denials. So if you are a visitor with a visa or ESTA, Make sure your travel purpose aligns with your documentation. A small misunderstanding can lead to deportation. Border security is evolving, and so should your approach to digital privacy. Whether you're a traveler, an immigrant, or a citizen, preparation is key. So before your next trip, ask yourself, do I know my rights? Have I secured my devices? Am I prepared for possible delays? Let's stay informed, stay secure, and protect our digital lives. If you found this information helpful, share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insight on digital security and travel rights. Until next time, safe travel.